Why didn't you answer my call last night?
I told you. I was working late.
Really? Because I saw you online.
I just checked my phone for a minute.
A minute? You were online. For 30 minutes?
Why are you checking everything I do?
Because you're acting strange.
I'm not. You're just overthinking again.
Don't say that. I know something is wrong.
Nothing is wrong. You're making a problem.
Then explain why. You ignored me.
I didn't ignore you.
Yes, you did.
I was busy.
You always say that.
Because it's true.
Or maybe you just don't care anymore.
That's not fair.
Then why do I feel this way?
I don't know.
I feel like I'm not important to you.
That's not true.
Then show me.
Okay. Maybe I made a mistake.
So you admit it?
I should have texted you.
Yes. That's all I wanted.
I didn't think it was a big deal.
It is important to me.
I see that now.
I don't need long messages.
Just a simple text?
Yes, just. I'm busy. Talk later.
That's easy. I'm sorry I hurt you.
I'm sorry. I got angry.
You had a reason.
I just care about you.
I know. I don't want to lose you.
Then don't make me feel alone.
I won't.
Promise?
I promise.
What are you doing now?
Just resting.
Can we talk for a bit?
Of course.
I feel better now.
Me too. Next time, I'll text you first.
And I'll trust you more.
We're okay now, right?
Yes, we are. I think we are. But I'm still a little hurt.
I understand. I'll be more careful next time.
I hope so.
Can we start over?
Start over. How?
No more ignoring. No more guessing.
And more honesty?
Yes, more honesty.
Okay, I can try.
Thank you for giving me another chance.
Don't waste it.
I won't.
You know, I was really worried last night.
I'm sorry I made you feel that way. I kept checking my phone. I should have texted you.
Yes, you should have.
What can I do now to make it better?
Just be there when I need you.
I will always.
Don't say always if you're not sure.
Then I'll do my best.
That's enough for me.